Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching. Welcome to yet another episode. So guys, today I'm starting this video here at Thika Road. I'm headed all the way to Kasarani, going to give you the current construction updates of the Kasarani Stadium. You understand, I've been doing updates now and then. There's a lot of progress going on there, so just come along with me. Make sure you watch this video till the end. If you're here for the very first time, please consider subscribing. Give this video a very big thumbs up and let's do this. Here at Kasarani. Guys, you remember the last time I was here, most of you were complaining at oh, the canopies are being constructed slowly, at oh, the canopies aren't the same color. Guys, I'm here to show you the current state of this stadium, like the real situation on the ground, okay? If you're here for the very first time, please consider subscribing, give this video a very big thumbs up, and let's do this. Let's go.
Son of Dutch.
Alien. Excellent. Angisema tandweni na imani ngeza njabule. Angisema tandweni na imani ngeza njabule. Sema tandweni
Ratazaga, Mateva Yoto, Ratazaga, Pompona que le happy que marato, pompona que cloa que marato, le zaca que marato, le ñoco que marato, le zaca que marato, le ñoco que marato, warata orate, zaga, warata orate, rataño. Pompona que le happy que marato, pompona que cloa que marato, le zaca que marato, le ñoco que marato. Sema tandwe ya chagula
sema tandwe nina mali sema tandwe nina mali sema tandwe nina mali sema tandwe nina mali
Let me just do one lap. Yeah, I'll walk you around, and then I'll show you also other things. So the canopies are there. Wow, so let's go. I'm also going to show you the seats. Like the grass is also very beautiful. Wow. And I think they're doing some maintenance here. They are planning to remove these. From the indoor arenas, this is the training grounds of Kasarani. I think you've seen the current updates of the main stadium. By the way, there is massive progress. I've really loved what is happening there. And you know what? They're planning to change the running track. Like, that place will be really, really beautiful. Another office here still under renovation. So basically, I've just loved the current progress. Let me know what you think at the comment section below. If you're here for the very first time, you haven't subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing. Give this video a very big thumbs up, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.